Welcome back, my YouTube friends. Let's do this unboxing together. As you can see, it's another eBay. And yes, Miss Gidget is always here to help. Yep, are you gonna help? Are you gonna help Daddy? All right, oh, we got some peanuts, baby girl. But these are not edible. Good, Googa Mooga. Okay, we do have some items here. We'll get to that in a second. Let's see if we can get to the main item without making a mess. Right, baby girl? See, she answers. This is almost like a game, right? But we can do this. With your help, we can do this. Yay! Okay. I'll just get the whole thing out and make a little bit of a mess, right? Sometimes you have to make a mess, right? Right. Okay, I don't feel anything else in there. How's everybody out there in YouTube land doing these days? Put a comment down below, let me know where you're from. Voila. Okay, put the scissors out of the way. Get this out of the way. Hey, that's not bad at all. What do you think? I think I did a pretty good job. And we're going to use this box as a table. What do you think? Haha. So look what we've got here. We got ourselves a beautiful wall clock. Does look like it's in pretty good condition, a little dusty. Let's see, here's the back. Everything's looking like it's in good shape. Glass is intact. Everything in there looks nice. Now, this is the bottom where the pendulum goes. Okay. There's not much to show on here, my friends, because everything is enclosed, but that's where the movement is. That's the gong. This is a gong clock. And they sent the pendulum and the key. Now the pendulum looks correct, the key does not. Here's the key they sent with it. This would have had a brass key. This looks very old. This goes to something else. But we'll see. But here's the pendulum. Pendulum, or bob if you want, looks correct. So, I guess I am going to have to find a place on the wall to hang this sucker so that we can see if it works. So, I'll be right back with you and we'll check this out together as soon as I find somewhere to hang it. Back in a second. Okay, welcome back. I have it on the wall and it is running beautifully. Only adjustment I think I need is to the chime, which the hammer is too close to the chime rod and it's not chiming correctly. So I will be making that adjustment after I let it run a couple of days, and then I will do a complete clean, so forth on it. But there it is on the wall. But there you go. And when I take it apart, I will bring you along. Talk to you soon.